Today we're going to install a door lock, but first we need to take this one off. Before you begin, always read the instructions thoroughly. Safety first! First we're going to remove the bolts. Once you remove the bolts, go ahead and take the old lock off. Then just grab the deadbolt latch and wiggle it towards the outside of the door. In some cases, when the lock gets stuck, grab a screwdriver and just pull like this. So the new lock has this, which doesn't fit into here, so we're going to need to modify it. So I picked this tool up from a local hardware store so I can make this round shape into the shape we need. Inside your box, there's a little bag of screws. You need the 2 small ones. Depending on how deep your lock is, you can adjust your latch. Just slide your latch in place and secure it with the screws. To prevent the door from splitting, we're going to drill a few pilot holes. Next, we're going to put on the exterior lock using this bracket with these screws. Run the wire under the latch. Slide the wire through this hole, push it down to secure it, and then your 2 bolts are going to go right there. Next, you're going to want to connect the back plate using these small screws. Connect the wires using the arrows. Tuck the wires into the back plate and then line it up with the lock and push all the way forward. Use the small screws to secure the back plate. Insert 4 AA batteries. When you put the batteries in, your door is going to hand itself. That means it's just going to figure out which way you installed it. When you drop the batteries in, make sure the arrows point towards the door. Finally, we're going to finish putting on the back plate using these 3 small screws. To do the last 3 screws, you're going to need to finish it with the Allen wrench. Looks great! I just need a new doorknob. Please don't be recording this. Oh my gosh! This is stupid that this keeps happening. Okay, Jeremy. I can't. I just can't do it. Super glue instead. Oh my heavens. Okay. This is dumb. This is just like straight up dumb. How many times can I drop a screw? Jeremy, I can't do it. I can't do it.